How to create a playlist in Spotify. So this will work on both iPhones and also Android devices as well. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up the Spotify app and then press create in the bottom right hand side of the page. You can then select playlist and then we're going to give the playlist a name. So I'm going to call this one R&B and press create. Now you can select add to this playlist and then you can click on the search box and you can go and search for the songs that you want to add to this playlist. Now once you've found a song you want to add, click on the plus icon next to it and you can basically continue to do this, adding as many songs as you want to the playlist. Now from the playlist itself, you can click on the 3 horizontal dots and here you'll have some options such as sharing the playlist, and you can also download the music to your device and this will allow you to listen to the playlist offline. Now if you go and click on the play button in the top right hand side, this is going to begin playing all of the songs in the playlist. Now another thing you can do is when you're on Spotify, if you just find a random song you want to add to your playlist, so let's say I wanted to go and add this song here, what you can do is click on the plus icon next to the song. You can then go and click on this again, and here you can select which playlist to add this to. So I'm going to add it to my R&B playlist and press done, and that's how to go and create playlists on Spotify.